it's important for us women to understand that menopause is not a medical issue. It's a physiological process. It's a normal human process. It is something that we don't talk about because we feel that it's a huge taboo. Sometimes we push it towards the side and we talk about it in secret because it is such a sensitive topic. But this is just part of our normal process, and as you rightfully said, Dr. T, this is something we should be embracing because this is a really important journey in our everyday life, particularly in our lives as girls and women. So menopause is actually in 3 different stages. There is the perimenopausal phase leading up to menopause, and then the menopause phase, and then we have the postmenopausal phase. So the perimenopausal, in very simple terms, as we are born as women, we are blessed to have 2 sets of ovaries with millions and millions of eggs. And as we reach the reproductive phase where we reach adolescence, the number of eggs gets reduced, almost cut into half. And then as we age day by day, the number of eggs reduce. And then we get to a point where we slowly start run out of eggs, as how I would call it in layman terms. And that is the perimenopausal phase. Once we hit the phase where there's no more eggs available to secrete the hormones that we need every day for our basic function, which is estrogen, we hit menopause. And then 1 year out of menopause, where we've had the final menses and no further menses for more than a year, we call that the postmenopausal period.